All right, welcome back to another video. You got your pal Tom. This is my main man Luke from Lynn's Cake Candy and
Chocolate Supplies.
Today we're going to be touching on a super cool flavoring, very unique, dare I say the unicorn of flavoring.
Dare you do.
I dare I do. Luke, tell them about it.
Sure thing. So the flavor we're going to be talking about today is the Crème Bouquet. You know, the Crème Bouquet, it's phenomenal. It has a nice citrus, vanilla. There's a couple more flavor notes in there that I'm not going to tell you about. You got to try it out for yourself and you won't regret it. So going on that, Tom, what else can you tell me about Crème Bouquet?
Yeah, so Crème Bouquet, like Luke said, there's probably 5 unique undertones that all complement that flavor together. Phenomenal in frosting, in batter, excellent. Typical ratio, if your recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of flavoring, you're going to use 1 teaspoon of the Crème Bouquet.
Yep.
Have you had it before, Luke?
You know what? I have. My wife put in some cookies and I was blown away. I said, "Hun, what did you put in these cookies?" It was amazing. So ever since then, it's been Crème Bouquet, Crème Bouquet, Crème Bouquet.
Yeah.
I just love it.
And she's been wearing it as perfume.
So
it's so good.
It's a win-win. Yeah. I'm I'm my head over heels for it, I tell you.
And so we got 2 sizes for you, Luke.
Yeah, this is the 8 ounce here.
Mm-hmm.
This is the 2 ounce right here. So we
yeah,
got those 2 sizes.
And we encourage you guys, if you want to just get a little taste of it and try it, the 2 ounce is excellent. We're pretty much assuring that you're going to be calling back and they'll be getting the 8.
Absolutely.
It's that good.
Absolutely. So to get your own Crème Bouquet, down in the description below, we will have linked both the 8 ounce and the 2 ounce. That'll take you right to our website. You can also find our contact information on there. If you got any questions, go ahead and call us, email us. We'd love to answer your questions and help you out.
Yep. And you know what? We appreciate you guys. We value your business. You guys are awesome. We'll hopefully talk to you soon. We'll maybe see you at the store at Lynn's Cake Candy and
Chocolate Supplies.